Want to clear WhatsApp cache on your iPhone and free up some storage? Here's the easy way to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Now, scroll through the list of apps and find WhatsApp. Tap on it to open its storage settings. Unlike Android, iPhone doesn't have a direct clear cache button for WhatsApp, but there's an easy workaround. Tap Offload App. This will remove the WhatsApp app while keeping your documents and data safe. Once it's finished, tap Reinstall App to install WhatsApp again. And that's it! WhatsApp is now reinstalled, and its cached app data has been cleared. So, if WhatsApp is taking up too much storage on your iPhone, give this method a try. If this tip helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.